taking me places I've never seen. Two worlds apart.
You know, like you feel away. Missy got something to say. I ride down the block in an Escalade. Bling bling all in your face. I think you might need to put on your shades. I know you feel me though. You're hating on me, but you hear me though. 20-inch rims say crazy low. I'm a crazy hoe. I'ma keep the party live. Me and Timberland gon' flip it tonight. Keep your hands in the sky. Wave around like you crazy high.
Back it up and dump it back. Back it up and dump it back. Back it up and 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 dump it back. 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 Back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up and.
Yeah, she won't fuck with the pastry. Call her Britney Spears cause her head game crazy. Back it up and back it like a trash man. Please make a nigga rub it up and down like a genie. I'm that nigga that you talking about. You gonna get wet cause a nigga leave her dry like popping off. Gave her a present, pussy start acting up. This ain't Christmas, but you know I had to wrap it up. Moving, Eminem losing, touching. Plus we get it hotter than an easy bake up and it's nothing. I told her she was fucking with a goon, so she made her ass cop like a fork in a balloon. I'm rude. Hey, I'm sorry, but I've been the shit. And if you think I'm not, you gotta twist it like licorice. Her friend wasn't bad enough, but I couldn't pass her up, so I made it
back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up and dump it back. 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 Back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up and.
A dream is dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us experience the culmination of this make-believe journey. In a very short while, our contestants will be making an on-stage statement of their compelling charm, presence, and personality.
We will witness their beauty, sense of style, composure, and allure being projected across the footlights.
The center stage is all set for our contestants in the 2014 Mr. and Miss Executive Look Evening Wear Competition.
itself in the most surprising ways. Itself in the most surprising ways.
was an impressive and commendable performance. Our contestants were never great than this regal bearing of themselves, plus the confidence and X factors combined.
Yes, I agree with you, Sir Tom. All of the contestants really shined this evening, and they look so fabulous as they do their catwalk in the center stage.
Definitely. I believe the audience too was captivated by the contestants' charm and grace. Right, audience? This far, our contestants should have already left an impression among our jurors and audience. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to reveal the winners of special awards. There are actually 13 special awards to be given out tonight.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us start with Mr. Executive Look, Darling of the Crowd.
There's nothing I can do about it. 'Cause nothing seems to.
We will now proceed first with the Q&A portion. Sir Tom?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for the meantime that we are tallying the result of our special awards, so we proceed to our question and answer portion. Candidates, okay, thank you, ladies. Candidates in the goblet are the names of our panel of judges. You will be asked to draw lots for the name of the judge who will be asking you a question. Good luck. For our first candidate, pair number 1. Here we go. Our first judge to ask question is Miss Nani Masangkay. Ma'am?
Okay, contestant number 1, good evening. Feel relaxed and be ready for the question.
Thank you po.
How important is it for you to look good at all times? Again, how important is it for you to look good at all times?
Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Mom, for that very nice question. How important for me to look good at all times? Looking good at all times is important for every person, but for me, not at all times. Hindi po importante na lagi kang maganda because we have two type of beauties, right? We have the outside and the inside beauty. So, if you are just pretty outside, but your inside beauty is pale, then you are nothing. That would be all. Thank you.
Okay. So our first contestant talk about the outer and inner beauty. Next, candidate number 2. Lady. Ma'am Del Proveliesa.
I have 2 questions, but the second question is just a follow-up of the first. The first question is, how far are you? How far are you going on this contest?
Okay, can you please repeat the question, Ma'am Del? Can I have another mic, please?
Gaano ka kalayo sa contest na ito?
Para sa akin po, malayo na. At para sa akin, ako ang angat. Yun lamang po.
Okay, and then the next is, how important is it for you to win in this contest?
Sa totoo lang, hindi naman po masyadong importante sa akin. Yung contest na to, ginagawa ko lang to para sa mga kaibigan ko, sa klase ko. Tumayo dito para may representative sila na at ang sa akin na po matapos yung contest na to. Yun lang po.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Del. Paliwanag lang po, kasi po every course and every year or curriculum is required to have a representation here in this contest. Thank you, Ma'am Del. Our next contestant, number 3, please. Our judge to ask the question is Mr. Ronnie Simpang. Sir?
My question is, if God will grant you one wish, what would it be? I'll ask again. If God will grant you one wish, what would it be?
Thank you for your beautiful question, sir. For me, kung bibigyan ako ng pagkakataon ng isang wish, ay matapos po to, ang contest na to, at mapanalo ko ang contest na to, at maging proud yung mga parents ko sa pagsali sa pageant na ito. That's all for me. Thank you.
Of course, every parent is very proud of their kids to win any contest. Our next contestant number 4. Sir, Engineer Samuel Bona, please ask the question, please.
Good evening, candidate number 4.
Good evening.
How do you feel tonight?
I feel nervous.
Why?
This is my first time to join a pageant, so I feel nervous.
Actually, this is my best. What do you want to be after 10 years?
After 10 years, I want to be world's biggest tycoon. This is my first ambition when I was a child. So after 10 years, I want to be world's biggest tycoon and a fulfilled person. Thank you.
Thank you very much, contestant number 4. Our next contestant number 5, please. Father Joe, please. Silence, please.
Good evening, sister.
Good evening, sir.
This question is more on business. I hope you know the answer. If given a chance to be a manager of a reputable company, what do you think is the most important behavioral asset that you should possess for you to make your company growing?
Thanks for that beautiful question, sirs. May mga hakbangan pa ako para dyan. Ang unang hakbang, kailangan may determinasyon ka sa sarili. Kung wala ito, hindi mo mamubuo kung anong gusto mo. Pangalawa, kailangan meron tayong kakayahan, talino, sapat na kaalaman para sa isang negosyo. Pangatlo, pananalig sa Diyos, at yun lamang po, at maraming salamat.
Yes, sir. Contestant number 5. Next is contestant number 6. Sir Jason Fontelo.
Magandang gabi. Ito ang katanungan ko para sa iyo. Para sa iyo, ano ang mas mahalaga? Pamilya, pag-ibig o kaibigan? Bakit?
Good evening. Para po sa akin, pamilya. Kasi pag friends, mahanap ko pa rin sila. Pag family, hindi na po. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Contestant number 7. 6 rather. Next, number 7, please. Please draw your jets. Dr. Belchan Sorbañas.
Good evening, contestant number 7.
Yes, sir.
How are you tonight?
little bit nervous.
Ako din. Okay, how do you define the executive look?
What, sir?
How do you define the executive look?
Well, executive look is fabulous. Una sa lahat, kapag sinasabing executive look, syempre, yun yung may mga babae at lalaking may talino at ganda. Pangalawa, ito yung silang may kakayahan kung paano i-represent ang kanilang college. Syempre po, from the College of Business and Accountancy ako, kaya ko i-represent ang college namin, hindi lang sa RSU, kundi sa buong region. Well, aside from that, nationwide. That's all. Thank you.
She has an ambition. Okay, our next contestant, number 8, please. Draw your dice. Miss Karen Go Ignan, Viva.
Good evening, candidate number 8.
Good evening, ma'am.
You are competing for the title of Miss Executive Look 2014. If you win, what will be the role of this title in your future career?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I'm going to win in this pageant tonight, it will be being a role model as an executive. It can help for me to influence and to become an inspiration to every individual in our society. And executive look inspired me to join in this competition for a cause. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 8. Next is candidate number 9. From Claremont Hotel.
Sorry, I have a bedroom voice. Now-host ako. Okay. Kinakabahan ka rin?
Slight.
Slight. Congratulations, you are doing well.
Thank you.
Okay. My question is this. If you will be given the chance to be an executive, anong pipiliin mo? Public service or private service?
Thank you. If I would be given a chance to be an executive in the near future, I will choose to be a I will choose the public service, to be a public servant. It would be my honor to help It would be my honor to help every individual, whether rich or poor, to help them with all my heart, and with all. It would be an honor for me to help every individual, whether rich or poor, with all my heart, without expecting for any return or for any without waiting for any return. That's all.
It's a good public servant. You're not expecting any return from the people you are serving. Thank you, contestant number 9. And the last but not the least, contestant number 10. Engineer Nicanor Marcelo, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening po.
Huwag kang kabahan, madali ito sa ito.
Thank you.
para sa iyo, contestant number 10. Sa iyong buhay, alin ang una mong itama? Ang nakaraan ba o ang hinaharap?
Pardon, sir.
Sa iyong buhay, alin ang una mong itama? Ang nakaraan ba o ang hinaharap?
Well, I do believe na saying that past is past. Kaya mas importante na itama natin yung future. Pero naniniwala pa rin ako na kailangan, ang lahat ng nangyari sa past, kailangan may matutunan tayo for the better future. Kaya nga, may past, kung may mali sa past, dapat may tama na natin to sa future. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 10. And now we turn on. It's the turn of our gentlemen executives. We come first with contestant number 1. Miss Genevieve Punanan, please.
Good evening, contestant number 1.
Good evening, ma'am.
Here's my question. As a student, what environmental advocacy could you contribute or make for the youths of today? I'll repeat. As a student, what environmental advocacy could you contribute or make for the youths of today? And why?
As a student, we have the responsibility. We are responsible enough for our environment and for those people that surrounds us. For me, my primary advocacy is that to have a clean environment. Clean in surroundings, clean in the heart of the people. Because I believe that if the people that surrounds you is clean in heart, they would influence you to be a better person. That is all. Once again, thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 1. Our next contestant, number 2, please. Miss Ami Ornom Lim, ma'am.
Good evening, contestant number 2.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, this is my question. Do you think you will win this search for Mr. and Mrs. Executive? And why?
Thank you for that beautiful question, ma'am. For me, I believe in myself that I will win this pageant because the confidence to face people is in me, and the trust of my friends and my fellow departments helps me to win this pageant. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
That's how the executive look builds confidence to our contestants. Next, contestant number 3, please. From Claire Model, your second question, please.
Good evening, contestant number 3. Magkalahi tayo.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, magkalahi kasi matamis ang lilo. I just want to feel you relax. Okay. If given the chance to carry the crown of Mr. Executive Look 2014, what do you think will this give you? What do you think are the advantages this contest will give you and to your school?
Thank you for that wonderful question. And for me, by giving the chance to win this competition is very overwhelming because if I'm going to win, it will give me a self-confidence, and as I carry the Department of Hotel and Restaurant Management, I know that my department will be proud of it. Thank you.
Yeah. The Hotel and Restaurant Management. Okay, our next contestant is number 4. Sir Samuel Borja, please.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I am contestant number 4. So, if you will be lucky enough to win the title as Mr. Executive Look 2014, and I think one of the award or prize is a round trip ticket to Katiklan, Porto. Whom do you want to be with in that trip?
Thank you, sir. I guess I would choose my mother because I would like to have time with her. Thank you.
Why your mother, Susan? Time with her. You do not want to be with your girlfriend or your mother? Why do you select your mother?
Well, actually, sir, I'm single, so I would choose my mother.
He's still available, sir. Okay, thank you, contestant number 4. Our next contestant, number 5, please. Okay, again, for the second time, Ma'am Del Formeliesa.
Okay, so are you ready for the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you think is the most outstanding criteria for being an executive?
For me, pardon, ma'am.
So ano sa palagay mo ang pinaka-importanting kailangan para ikaw ay maging isang executive?
For me, the personality, because this search is a personality search. That's all.
Is the personality model?
Totoo nga, non-personality search ito.
It's a personality search redefined.
Oh,
okay, our next contestant, number 6. Father Joe.
Hello, Brad.
Good evening, sir.
Ito ay napaka-simpleng tanong. What is your primary reason why you joined this personality search?
The primary reason why I joined this contest is that, as we all know, this contest is anchored with heart. It is anchored because of for the benefit of every Laoknon
the benefit of the heart, because as we all know, this personality search is all about the heart and the legacy in helping others to extend and to share happiness, kindness, and liberty to those people who are in need. And this contest, we are anchored to spread smiles and laughter and happiness to others. That would be all. Thank you.
That's one of the noble causes of this search. Thank you. Miss Amelia. Microphone, please. Any assistant, please? Student, please pass the mic to my students. Okay.
Good evening, contestant number 7.
Good evening, ma'am.
Are you aware of our current events this time?
Slide po.
Slide. Do you know Dines Cornejo?
Dines Cornejo. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have a question for you in Tagalog. Ano ang mahalagang aral ang maibabahagi mo sa panahon ngayon ng mga kabataan sa pangyayaring naganap kay Dines Cornejo?
Thank you po sa napakagandang katanungan. Para sa akin, huwag kayong magtitiwala sa isang taong hindi nyo pa masyadong kilala. At alamin nyo kung ano ang mangyayari bago kayo pumunta sa isang yun lang po.
Okay, he doesn't want to speak about that sa isa. Clearly spoken. Okay? Engineer Marcelo, again, please.
Good morning.
Good evening, sir.
Morning na.
Sorry, it's already okay.
Sa isang executive, dapat ba siyang mas matalino kaysa kanyang mga staffs?
Pardon, sir.
Bilang isang executive, dapat ba siyang maging matalino sa kanyang mga staff?
Nararapat lang, sir, na maging matalino ang executive sa kanyang mga staff dahil kung hindi siya matalino, hindi siya gagalangin ng kanyang mga staff at hindi mag-work ang isang organization with a not competent leader. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Contestant number 7 is giving us a challenge. Next is contestant number 8. 9 rather. Miss Karen Christine.
Good evening, candidate number 9.
Good evening din po, ma'am.
Okay. So, current event sana i-question ko sa'yo, pero naunahan ako ng isang nating judge. Kaya, eto na lang. Pwede ko bang malaman muna kung anong course mo?
BS Accountancy, ma'am.
Okay. With your course, how can your course contribute to fulfill your life's visions?
My course have a big reason, or it support me a lot because this course is the most competitive course in the RSU. It gives knowledge, wisdom, and values that will make me a successful person in the near future. That's all.
Nag-club si Sir Errol doon sa sagot. Okay, the last, not the least, contestant number 10. Do your lot, sir. Dr. Belchan Sorbanes, sir.
How do you think the executive look differs from other beauty or personality searches?
Pardon, sir.
How do you think the executive look differs from other beauty or personality searches?
I think executive look is the best personality search. It differs from the other pageants because it only thinks of not only the beauty but also the intellect and the moral character of every individual or competitor in this pageant.
So, do you have any follow-up questions, sir? Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, contestant number 10. There you have them, ladies and gentlemen. Our future executives has spoken. A big round of applause for all of them. Meanwhile, please watch this video presentation of our noble cause of this naiibang pageant. You have just watched that video presentation. That's what makes Mr. and Miss Executive Look cut above the rest. What makes it survive this long.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to reveal the winners of special awards. And as I've mentioned earlier, there are 13 special awards to be given out tonight.
Okay, so let us start with Darlings of the Crowd. The contestants who will receive the loudest applause from our audience tonight and will receive Isash Hanabishi Hotdog Waffle Maker, sponsored by Saudi Vitalvero and Safe. Mr. Executive Look, Darling of the Crowd, goes to contestant number 9.
To present the award to our Mr. Executive Look Darling of the Crowd Award is Mr. Jimson Maham, Sibaso Vice President.
The fire in your eyes, this sweat makes me shiver inside. There's nothing I can do about it, 'cause nothing seems so true when I'm beside you. Am I dreaming of being just
Our Mr. Executive Look, Darling of the Crown, is no less than Mr. Carl M. Atienza.
you turn me up and down, I'll spin right round. You never get enough, baby, doll, you're a shining star.
And for the Miss Darling of the Crowd goes to contestant number... Miss Darling of the Crowd goes to contestant number 9.
To present the award to our Miss Executive Look Darling of the Crowd Award is Miss Nolly Ann M. Castillo, CBA faculty.
There's nothing I can do about it.